The best strategy for your email marketing should be in line and relate with your product or service goals, and it should define what you're doing in your email marketing campaigns and your newsletters. Your strategy should be helping your business grow. So what are some potential goals you might have? Well, you could enhance your brand and product awareness, grow your community, company loyalty. It could be driving traffic to your website to consume your content and drive sales. The thing to remember is email marketing is used to talk to your audience, to let them know about events or new content you've published. Social media is great for building an audience, so don't have the goal of using your emails to build your audience. A good idea might be to write down some goals that you want to accomplish in the year. You could use a calendar, and once you've got some goals down, think about the communication you should use to make those goals happen. So if you've got an event happening for a new product you're launching, think about the best ways to communicate this in your email marketing so you can drive traffic and grow awareness. To measure how effective your email marketing is, you could see how many people clicked on your email and how many actually came to your event. So let's say if you're creating new products, you want people to go through the process and purchase your products. And if you post content daily, for example, if you're a blogger, you want people to come and view your content every day. So you want to be able to track and make sure that they're clicking on the links to your pages you want them to visit. Well, we've got a great little tool for you to use that does just that, and it's called Bitly. It allows you to track who clicks on your links, when and where they're from, because you might get thousands of clicks on a link, but some might come from Facebook, and some might come from Twitter, or some might come from your emails, but Bitly will let you know exactly where people are coming from. So for example, let's say you've created a new blog post, and you want to track how many people click on the link in the email you just sent out. All you do is copy the page's URL here, then go to Bitly and create a new custom link, paste it in there, and you're done. And you can also customize these links if you'd like to make them more user-friendly. So now you just copy the custom link like this and use that in your emails. And whenever someone clicks the link, it will tell you all the information that you need here. Next, let's take a look at what kind of content you should include in your email marketing.